Greetings to my beautiful subscribers. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing this channel, kindly support by pressing the subscribe button, and also don't forget to on your notification button so that whenever we drop a new video, you'll be the first person to watch the video. Mo fi àsìkò yìí kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin subscribers wa àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tó bá jẹ́ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ yín rèé tẹ́ máa bá fídíò wa pàdé, ẹ̀yin náà ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa láti bá wa subscribe sórí channel yìí. Kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ má gbàgbé láti tan notification button yín ní gbogbo tá a bá ju fídíò sórí ìkànnì yìí, ẹ lè máa ní àǹfààní láti rí fídíò náà wò.
All right. So look at that handsome one over there. Say, baby, calm down. I'm coming home.
Baby, calm down. I'm coming home. I'm coming for you. Are you ready for me? Are you ready?
See my dear. See body.
See my you. See body. See body.
So you want to go and meet that handsome man? Can I have his car? I like that. Sit down. Now you want to crown your husband. You want to crown your husband. Are you listening? Who close to me? Crown your husband. Crown your husband. Now you want to collect first. Do you know what that means? Money for soup. They actually collected transport fare from me. I was expecting him to drop 3 million. But now you're about to collect the remember, this time it is 10 million for water. Sit down like this and you put your hand.
My bro, I beg.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, Peller, my little brother. Yeah, I and the family left everything we're doing in Abuja to come through for Peller, because Peller is an inspiration to the Ice King generation. So for that, I rub minds with my sons and I ask them, what can we do for Peller? They said, Daddy,
thank you, boss.
we want Peller to be staying close to Palace 7. You know we have Palace 1, Palace 2, Palace 3, Palace 4, Palace 5, Palace 7. Palace 7 is the one I'm going to celebrate my birthday, the 50th birthday next year. So they said they want Peller to be close to the place. And I said, wow. The houses that are close to the Palace 7, no one is less than 400 million naira. So what do? He said, Dad, Peller and Javis deserves the mansion. So Peller, on behalf of my children, I am presenting a brand new house for you, worth 400 million in Naira, Abuja. Congratulations, Peller.
God bless you, sir. When we met at Soso wedding, I was totally inviting you to my wedding. I don't know that you come, I swear. But you You surprise me. Inside your surprise people inside. Mr. Shasho, God bless you and your family. I love you guys so much. You give me and my wife a 400 million naira house in Abuja. I'm so grateful. God will not die. Let us say today when I see you up you. Ladies and gentlemen, so marriage looks good on you, my brother. Please, can we clap your hand up for the parents to come in? A picture with a couple, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for coming all the way from there to stay.
Peller, Javis, Peller, Javis, Peller, Javis, Peller.